Boom, what is happening, my friend? And in this video we're going to be covering Amazon affiliate programs, tiny commissions, and really I'm gonna let you in on a little secret that I see a lot of people out there going ahead and they're doing this the wrong way, and I'm going to explain it the right way for you. So let's just jump into it here. And I'm on the page. It says Amazon Associate Program at a glance, and it says here that you advertise a qualifying Amazon product or service on your website using a tagged link we provide you. And if you're one of your readers, followers, or your tagged link readers follows your tagged link and buys something, you can earn up to 12% of that product revenue in advertising fees. So what it's saying here is that, right, okay, there's people, and what they're doing is they're coming here and they're starting off with the Amazon affiliate program. And in the Amazon affiliate program, Amazon associate program, you have to make a sale within the first 30 to 90 days. And what they're doing is they're coming here first without any existing traffic flow. So they don't have a website, so they're not website owners, they don't have existing traffic flow, they don't have an email list, they maybe don't have a big social media following, and this type of thing. And what they're doing is they're coming here and they're getting their affiliate link, then they're going and putting it out there and doing all this work for the next 90 days, and they're maybe not making any sales at all and getting kicked out of the program, and they're wasting all that work that they've done for the next 90 days. So I'm going to explain the right way to do this here so that you don't fall into that category and end up like these people that I see them doing this type of thing all the time. And the three different angles, it's the same concept I'm going to explain to you, but I'm going to tell you in three different ways, because it took three different ways for me to get this idea. So and it took quite a long time to hear these different perspectives from these three different people. So I'm just going to give you all three different angles here in this video, and hopefully you can get this here, and it just like blows your mind and you're like, oh, I totally get this here now, and where this Amazon affiliate program fits in to affiliate marketing. So what it says here is, where is it? See, it's designed, the program is meant for website owners and designed to enable them to earn money with their content. Okay, so what it's saying here is that you want to build up an existing flow of traffic, and then you want to supplement what you've got already going on with the Amazon affiliate program. So this here is at up to 12% commission on, say it's a $100 product, you make up to $12 on a $100 product. Maybe there's dearer stuff, maybe there's less expensive stuff, but up to 12%, sometimes it's lower. Say if you're going out there and you're going to try and make $10,000 in a month, think about how many $100 sales you have to make in a month to make any significant amount of money. And you're going to have to drive a lot of people through your affiliate links. And if you're just getting started, and what I see these people doing when they just get started is they don't have any of this existing stuff going on, and it's really, really hard for them. So where this fits in is, I'm going to tell you in this concept of the value ladder. So this is the way Russell Brunson explained it, and he explains it as when someone first comes into your world, you want to have a low ticket item. So something that's a low barrier of entry, and they can buy that there and it's not a big investment. Then you want to have something that's medium ticket. So for someone who wants to go a little bit further and they feel they've got some trust with you and they want to go a bit further, then they can buy the medium ticket stuff. And then you want to have a high ticket thing where you make a bigger commission. And so that when someone comes in and they really want to go all in with it, you've got the opportunity for them to go all in. So they have a low ticket, medium and high ticket offers. So Amazon Associates is kind of like a little bit of a low ticket because it's only like 12%, and a lot of the stuff people buy on Amazon, most of it isn't much over $100. So then the second way that I'm going to give you in this perspective of it is that there's going to be different types of people when you're building up your flow of traffic, and whether you're building this flow of traffic through your blog, through social media, or through an email list, or a combination of all three altogether, which is probably the best way. So there's going to be different types of people, and some of these people, they're going to come in and they're going to be like people who are just like $14 stuff, $15, $20 stuff. They'll just buy that kind of stuff all day, and that's all they buy, and they'll not buy anything dearer, they'll not buy anything less. You know, there's going to be these types of people. Then there's going to be types of people who come in and they're going to be like, nah, I don't want to invest in this here. It doesn't really look like, no, not really worth my time investing in something that's just $20. I'd rather invest in something that's maybe $1,000, or maybe it's like $400. And you're going to want to have things on offer for them, but you're going to have it at different commission points. So say if you're selling something that's $1,000 and you make 30% commission, you can make $300. Then say if you're selling something that's like $50 and you're making 50% commission, you can make $25. So you want to have different types of things for different people. Then there's going to be people on your email list or whatever who are coming through your links, and they're going to be types of people who are just be like, all they'll do is buy low ticket continuity. So something that's like $7 and they pay that $7 every single month, and that's just all that they'll buy. And there's going to be all these different types of people. So not everyone's going to come in and want to buy these low ticket things, or not everybody's going to want to buy the high ticket things. There's going to be all different types of people. And then the third perspective on the same idea that I'm sharing with you here, that I see people missing out, and they're doing it wrong when they come to Amazon Affiliate Program and they start off here, is the concept of filling your bucket. So if you can imagine a bucket, and say the Amazon Affiliate Program, and you're selling $100 products, and you're making 12% commission, so you're filling a bucket to get to 10k with $12. So there's going to be loads of little $12 to fill this bucket. So it's going to take you a lot of people to fill that bucket. So what if you had, maybe it was like a $500 commission in there, boom. And it's going to take you far less $500 commissions to fill that bucket to 10k than it would $12. So then you're going to have, like, say maybe it's like $40, maybe it's like $100 commissions, and these are going to be different size of boulders and rocks and pebbles that fill the bucket, and you're going to want to have this here going on. And where the Amazon Associate Program comes in is that once you've built up, say it's a good big flow of traffic, whether it's from a website, blog, email list, and social media, whether it's from these here things, whatever activities you're doing, you want to do it in the right sort of way. And then you come along and then you plug in the Amazon Associate Program once you're established, and boom, you'll fill your bucket with all them little pebbles, and it'll be really, really cool, my friend. I hope you enjoyed this here video and got these ideas. And like I said before, if you want to learn anything more about affiliate marketing or building an internet business, you should head to the link below, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you there.